Kane kadai ka result interview jong ka post storekeeper ha Megalayan Medical Drugs and Services Limited. Tetongin ya pule ya kane ka notice. List of successful candidates for the post of storekeeper for East Khasi Hills, 2 posts on contractual basis under Megalayan Medical Drugs and Services Limited as per personal interview held on 5th and 7 November 2024. Te kini ki kerteng hangne ki de ki kerteng jong ki candidate ki bala syak select hakane ka interview. Iban kong ide hoping son hingge padi baar ide di Mistaful Paryong. Tenalor kini kadon ru ka waiting list di ka waiting list ki don hadu shipaungut tong ini apet ya kane ka list. Te kini ki kerteng ki de ki badon ka waiting list baningkong ide ri baha box imli nang tadik sambor im indaman bha khars im yong wan rilin khar kongor medalin lengkoi safisha Anastasia Shadap wan bhalang khar lengdo bayamon do ling alan bon khar sakno gracefully marang te kini ki karteng hangne ki dei ki badon ha ka waiting list.